Transform your space with ArmorPoxy's ArmorClad Full Broadcast Epoxy Kit. This tutorial video will guide you through the entire installation process, from floor prep to final top coat. Your ArmorClad kit comes with all tools and materials needed. Step 1. Acid etch. Add 1 pound of powdered etch concentrate to 2 gallons of warm water in a pail and mix for 1 minute until powder is completely dissolved. Spread the mixed etching solution over the floor and wait for approximately 10 minutes for the solution to soak. While the solution is soaking, scrub the floor with a bristle-type broom. Rinse the entire surface with clean water. Step 2. Primer. Mix parts A and B of primer with a metal mixer. The mix ratios are 1:1 for the standard VOC version and 4:1 for the low VOC version. Pour onto the floor and roll out 1 even thin coat. Allow the floor to dry for a minimum of 6 to 8 hours or wait overnight before applying the epoxy. Step 3. Epoxy. Shake the part A jug to spread the colored pigment evenly in the jug. Mix 2 parts A to 1 part B for 2 to 3 minutes with a metal mixer. Once the 2 parts are mixed, you have 25 minutes to apply the epoxy. Apply the epoxy with a roller or a squeegee. Step 4. Flex. Throw the flex on the floor while the epoxy is still wet. Cover the floor entirely with the flex. Wait overnight for epoxy to dry. Scrape the floor with a floor scraper to remove excess flex. Vacuum the floor. Step 5. Top coat number 1. Mix 2 parts A to 1 part B of top coat for 2 minutes with a metal mixer. Squeegee and roll out the first coat on the floor at a coverage of 200 square feet per gallon. Wait overnight for it to dry. Step 6. Top coat number 2. Mix parts A and B for the second coat and add Armor Grip non-skid additive. Stir with a metal mixer for 2 minutes. Apply the second coat with a roller at a coverage of 400 square feet per gallon. Your new floor is ready. Wait 24 hours for the floor to dry and a minimum of 5 days before moving vehicles back onto the floor.